Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS 10 years. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I don't brag on myself. Go to my website. I have been on all the national news stations, ABC, NBC, Fox News, Fox Nation, Washington Bureau, ABC. I don't know. I've been on a lot of them. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about when do you need a tax attorney or a tax lawyer. Anytime people have problems, they think of an attorney or lawyer to handle, a tax attorney to handle an IRS problem. I want you to first know on my team, I have tax attorneys, both criminal and civil. They do all kinds of work. I have CPAs, enrolled agents, and a bunch of former IRS agents. Tax attorneys are excellent if you're going to tax court or you have litigation. Other than that, most attorneys, not all, most attorneys do not handle tax resolution well because that's not their specialty. Their specialty is more in litigation and legal things. There are some tax attorneys that only do tax resolution, but there's probably only this many of them. I have a very, very large Facebook following of professionals. You should look to hire CPAs, former IRS agents who only specialize in tax resolution only. The tax resolution vertical, there's so much to know, and people are very thin in knowledge. I know that because I was a teaching instructor with IRS. I know when people came in, I knew what attorneys knew, I knew what enrolled agents knew, I know what CPAs know, and I'm telling you, you must go ahead and get someone who specializes in this. For me, in my group, if you want to go ahead and help people, you have to actually have 10 years of tax resolution experience. So you do not need to look for a tax attorney or a tax lawyer. In certain cases you do, but at the end of the day, I am a former IRS agent. I am not trying to pat myself on the back. I'm not. But listen, if you have a tax problem, you want to hire former agents because they know what the hell they're doing, because that's all they did all their life. You want someone who's really experienced and well-versed. So 99% of the times you don't need a tax attorney. Anyway, if you need representation, by the way, you're going to think this guy is a jerk for telling me all this, but I'm just telling you the truth. Give me a subscription if you would. I really appreciate it. You know the truth about tax attorneys. But remember, I have them on my staff and they're good friends. I'm telling you, former IRS agent, buddy, or gold. Thank you.